Number 1. Kiwit Self-Adjusting Wire Stripper.
The stripper automatically adapts itself to wires from 10 to 24 arabin florins, which saves much more effort than using a manual adjusting one. Wire stripping for 24 to 10 arabin florins, crimping for 10 to 22 arabin florins, and cutting copper, aluminum, sheathed core wire and cable. Thermoplastic Rubber-made handle greatly increase comfort and reduce hand fatigue.
Number 2. Sunday Endoscope Camera.
Just pop the case open and start the work with snapshot and video recording features. Sunday Inspection Camera is the only tool you need to take a good look inside. No more hassle on Wi-Fi connection issues or OTG-compatible problems. Sunday Endoscope Camera showcase a pleasant 4.3-inch vivid display that brings realistic image to life. Switch into monochrome mode for a black and white screen for better texture and shape recognition. Also, use the compare mode to look at a still image while you inspect for any differences in the same display.
Number 3. Tyla's Banding Strapping Kit. The strapping tool set can strap anything you want. Whether it is cardboard boxes, pipes, decoration materials, or moving houses in daily life, it can also be used in docks, warehouses, and various factories.
Number 4. Rhino Wrench Extender Toolbar. Designed to give you extra leverage. Loosen rusted nuts and tight bolts with next-level ease. This isn't just any wrench extender tool. While others measure 13.4 inch, the Rhino wrench extension is 15-inch long. The extra length means more torque and less effort.
Number 5. WorkPro 8-piece clamp set for woodworking. With up to 50 pounds of squeezing force and a metal ratcheting mechanism, WorkPro bar clamp offers a decent choice for woodworking or other household repairs. It is lightweight yet sturdy and is capable of holding pressure for extended periods.
Number 6. Spin Twist Wire Connector Socket.
The wire twisting tool is suitable for most wire caps without wings. There are no special requirements for conductors, and it is suitable for all ordinary electric drills.
Number 7. Toolent Impact Hex Head Allen Wrench Drill Bits. Coolant impact hex head Allen wrench drill bits. Torsion zone to absorb torque peaks to avoid breakage. For impact driver and heavy screw driving. Number 8. Nachi aluminum drum wrench. Non-sparking, that is safe to use around flammables or in combustible areas. Heavy-duty, compact design for easy storage, easy to use. The ends of the wrench can open most standard 2-inch and 3/4 inch plugs on tight head drums. Fits most drums. Water barrel, diesel barrel, fuel barrels, drum.
Number 9. WorkPro 12-volt cordless rotary toolkit. WorkPro rotary tools are small handheld devices with rapidly spinning motor tips designed to accept a wide range of bits and attachments. This makes them perfect not only for a wide range of household tasks, including repairs and maintenance, but also for crafting and hobbies. There are even rotary tool attachments designed to care for pets' toenails. This rotary tool delivers significant power despite being cordless. The 2.0 amp lithium-ion battery powers the 12-volt motor and allows users to sand, grind, and cut quickly without issue. The rotary tool itself boasts a significant speed range, with 5 convenient speeds: 7,500, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, and 32,000 RPM. This allows you to choose the best speed for the job at hand.
Number 10. Aries 1/2 inch drive ratcheting breaker bar adapter. This Aries 1/2 inch ratcheting breaker bar adapter provides a quick and easy way to convert your breaker bar or sliding T-handle into a 24-tooth ratchet. It can also be used independently as a thumbwheel ratchet for hand use in tight spaces. This easy-to-install ratcheting adapter features a 23mm hex bolster, so it can also be used with an open end or adjustable wrench in addition to your breaker bar. Plus, the reversible ratcheting mechanism can be switched between clockwise and counterclockwise with a quick adjustment of the anodized switch collar.